Hey y'all, Eric 5, 1968 here, chilling in the garage, not doing too much. Got something kind of cool in the mail today. Um, Amazon, of course, Amazon, everything is Amazon because I would honestly really love if my local sporting goods store carried some of this cool stuff that you can get off Amazon. Like the aftermarket parts. You go in, you buy a weapon there, and you go in, and they don't have any. They have some of this stuff, but I'm sorry, I don't have $300 for a scope. I don't have $200 for a light. Um, I just paid 500 bucks, 600 bucks for the gun, and you buy a grip and this and that afterwards, and so Amazon's a great resource to get cool stuff. And all these guys like Corporal's Corner, he's got his Amazon page where he's got all his stuff listed on there. A lot of these people do. um, I don't really have anything special, so I'm not there yet. Anyway, I did get this today. you know cool box comes in. Definitely will have a second use. And what came in that box is this sweet little guy. It is a arc plasma lighter, and it's pretty cool. I do have a cigarette right here that I was going to demo, but I'm not sure because I don't know if YouTube freaks out of that kind of stuff or not. I'm new to this game. I don't know. Some of the stuff I see on YouTube, it's like, well, wait a minute. They got that no, it's not for kids thing. So I am going to light that with this because I want to see how it works, but I just want to go over some of the cool features of it. It feels really good in your hand. It's kind of like a rubbery stuff. It's supposed to be waterproof. It feels really good. I imagine it can take a drop or two. It's got a nice little hinge here, and it came with this cool, kind of long, excessively long lanyard. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this lanyard for this lighter. This is cool though, because I will find a use for it, because these little things are great and they attach to anything. It comes with a quick release. So, I guess I could put it on my backpack that I was hoping to have yesterday and still hoping to have today, but no such luck. Anyway, I had to go up to a 42 liter. I was carrying around a 32 liter for a while. I'm probably still going to use it. I think I'm going to make the 32 liter my range bag. It's going to make a great range bag. But anyway, this lanyard's pretty sweet. It's definitely going to have a use. I'm not sure what it is yet. It's probably not going to be for this lighter, and it also comes with this cool little USB cable. It's nice. It's the micro USB. And so I will admit, it took me a minute to find the USB thing. The card that it comes with is really small. You can't read that writing that's on that card. You just can't read it. It's too dang small. So it took me a second to find it. I wasn't sure if there was going to be another removable part. There's no removable parts. You just clip this thing and it's clipped on there really good. Push it, and there's the USB. Nicely protected, so you will not get any water in there. It does have a light to let you know when it's fully charged and when it's not charged. It's kind of cool. And there's the arc, the double arc. It's pretty sweet. I'm kind of cool that it's cool that it came charged a little bit. So YouTube, please don't flag me. I'm sorry. I'm just doing this for demo purposes. It's not. I mean, I smoke, but I'm just doing it for demo purposes because this is why I bought the lighter. I have to see if it works, right? I mean, and it works. It works perfectly well. Can you hear that? That's kind of cool. I'm gonna go actually plug it into my PS4 and let it charge while I'm playing video games. It's pretty cool though. It does feel really good. Feels like it's very good quality. I was gonna buy the round one, but I like the shape of this better. Um, Feels like just, I don't know. It just feels more. I have a really nice Zippo that I don't ever use because it's got the Eagle Globe and Anchor on it, and I don't know. It has sentimental value to me, so I don't ever use it. But this thing I'm definitely gonna use. So, all right, Tactic Ops. You can get it on Amazon, about 14, 15 bucks. It's pretty cool. 2-3 day delivery. It's kind of nice. Lots of other stuff I want to talk about, but I'm not going to do it in this video. Love y'all. Peace out. Please be kind to each other. And you know who's always waiting for you. He's right there. He's waiting for you. Jesus loves you. Be kind. Be good. Peace out. Love y'all.